Hi guys, Vanakkam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dhabaswin here. Before going to the video, I just want to talk about the surprise I told you guys in my previous video. The surprise is that I tried doing this video in Tamil also. It's a separate video. I'll put the link here. You can watch it, and I'll also put one in the description as well. In the video Tamil பார்க்கணும்னா இந்த லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க அண்ட் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்லேயும் ஒரு லிங்க் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ now so the reason why I did this is like most of my friends asked me to try doing videos in Tamil, so I just tried it. So now let's get into this video. So I told you guys in my previous video again that I'll be purchasing a few gadgets, that is a few upgrades. So I just got them, and in this video I'm gonna unbox one and talk about the other ones. So the first major upgrade I have done is the Canon Eos M50 mirrorless camera. I'll be unboxing it, and I also bought a few tripods, and the one is the Manfrotto Befree Mini. It's just a simple vlogging tripod, and then the next big one, which is the Manfrotto Befree Live Advanced Travel Tripod. It's already unboxed. Actually, I'm currently recording with this. So I'll be talking about this later in the video. I'll be after the unboxing. So let's go. Let's start with the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the camera, and we're gonna unbox it now. Let's open it up. We have the warranty card. See something papers. The user manual. The straps. Charging cable, the battery charger. Here's the body of the camera. This is the battery for the camera, the LP E12 battery. And then we have the kit lens, the 15 to 45 mm kit lens. To remove this, we also get a 16 GB memory card with the camera. Now let's switch it on. The battery is low. Just charge it and get back to you guys. So guys, the video which you are currently watching is straight from my new cam, the Eos M50. I shot the unboxing video with my mobile, the OnePlus 70's rear camera, and the intro video with the the OnePlus 70's front camera. I think the quality has improved a lot better now. You could see it. I always wanted to buy a camera, and today it has happened. Today is 29th September of 2020. Also, it just make things easier, and the quality as well. It will be far better than what I get from my mobile. So why I chose this specifically, why I chose this cam specifically is that there are three major reasons. For one, it is beginner friendly because I am totally new to this cameras and stuff, and two, it has a flip out screen which I can watch when I'm recording. So I told you right, it just make things easier. And for three, there is no better camera at this price range. So currently I'm recording by mounting the camera on the Befree Mini, and I'm not using the tripod for recording now. I'm just using a stool and a table for recording. I placed a table, stool, and then a tripod, and then a camera. I'll just show it to you guys. The table, the stool, the Befree Mini tripod, and then the camera. So now about the travel tripod, which is the Manfrotto Befree Live Advanced. Before talking about this, I just want to tell you guys that this is not a budget tripod. This is somewhat costly, but it's totally worth it. Its cost is nearly half the price of this camera. I'll just extend it and show it to you guys. So this is the maximum height the tripod can be extended to, which nearly matches my height. I am 5 feet 10 inches. So now the question, why did I purchase this and not budget friendly one? You see guys, there are only a few tripods available in our market, and those the cheaper ones, mostly they are made in China, and they cost around 2000 rupees to 4000 rupees. They're not so much sturdy. For mobiles it's okay, but for cameras it's not good, and for indoor shooting it's okay, but for outdoors I don't think it's much preferable. So whereas this Manfrotto Befree, this is made in Italy, and everyone knows that Manfrotto is the most premium brand when it comes to tripods, and this is completely made up of aluminium, and there are no cheap plastics anywhere on this tripod. During a ride, I'll be carrying this in my tail bag or saddle bag. I'll also be stuffing a lot of things onto those bags, right? So when we are traveling, we can't trust the cheaper ones because it might get broken on the way, or when you mount it in a hilly area or in a place where there is more wind, there are chances that it might fall off. Because if that tripod falls, then think what will happen to the camera, because it's not an action cam. So that's why I went straight for this tripod. It's like an one-time investment for me. And also Manfrotto offers a 10-year warranty for this tripod, so it will be working good for at least 10 years, and there is literally nothing in this tripod that could easily break. So talking about the tripod model, this has a fluid head. That's also another model which has a ball head. In this fluid head, you will get a pan like this, which you can use it like this, and you can tilt it as well, and then you can rotate it 360 degree as well. And coming to the locks, there's a M-lock twist type locking system. There is another one which is the latch type. When I purchased this, it was not in stock, and also this felt more compact than that. So that's it for the tripod. Okay guys, so we are at the end of this video now. I tried to make it as short as possible. So finally, for the price of the gadgets, so for the first, the big one, which is the Canon Eos M50, my new camera, I bought it for 51,500 rupees from a Canon showroom near my place. And then the Befree travel tripod, I bought it for 17,600 rupees from a shop here at Chennai. The shop's name is F-Stop. I'll put the Google Map location link of the shop in the description. And finally, for the Pixie Mini, the mini tripod, I bought it from imastudent.com for 1900 rupees. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, do hit the like button, and if you have any questions, do put them in the comment section. I'll try to answer it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. And also click the bell icon as well if you want to receive a notification about the content on my channel. So that's it guys. Hey guys, so quick little tidbit. The next surprise, actually the surprise series surprise, it will happen anytime now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And guys, always remember, safety is the first priority. So always wear a helmet. And when you go on rides, try to wear a proper riding gears. So KD out and bye.